Welcome back, children. This is the second part of chapter 14, Solar System. Now, children, let us study about each planet in detail. The first one is Mercury. As you know, it is the planet which is closest to the sun and it is smallest in size. So, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and is the smallest in size. There is no water, air, or atmosphere on Mercury, so there is no life possible on Mercury. It is very hot during the day and freezing cold during the night. So during the daytime Mercury is very hot, and at the night time Mercury becomes completely very chilling cold. The next is Venus. Venus is the hottest and the brightest planet of the solar system. So the hottest and brightest planet of the solar system is Venus. We can see it clearly in the sky early in the morning and just before the sun sets. That is why it is also known as morning star or evening star. We can see it only early in the morning or just before the sun sets. It is also known as sister or twin of the earth, because it is of the same size of the earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system which has life on it. So Earth is the only planet in which life is possible because it is located at the right distance from the sun, neither too far nor too close. Earth has both air and water, which makes life possible on Earth, because without air and water we cannot survive. Earth is also known as blue planet because of the presence of water on it. There is more water than land on the Earth. So in our Earth there is more water than land. Earth is the only planet which has life. Next one is Mars. Mars is a dry and rocky planet. There are many mountains and dust storms on its surface. Mars is often described as the red planet because the dust storms gives it the red appearance. So Mars is known as the red planet because the dust storms which are present on the surface gives it the red appearance. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that all other planets could just fit inside it. It is so much huge. It has a giant red spot. Jupiter has a giant red spot in it. It rotates faster than any other planet. So it rotates the fastest of all. Jupiter is the largest planet and it rotates the fastest of all. It rotates faster than any other planet. The sixth planet is, children, Saturn. It is a giant gas planet and can be seen with the naked eye. It means we can see it. It is different from other planets because of the 7 rings around it. These rings are made up of chunks of ice and rocks. See, it has rings around it. It is different from other planets. And these rings are made up of chunks of ice and rocks. Now let us see the 7th planet. It has at least 10 thick black rings around it, but these rings are less visible than the Saturn's rings. Uranus also has rings, but these rings are not that visible. These rings are made up of dust. So the rings of Uranus are made up of dust. Uranus is rich bluish green in color. See, you can see Uranus is rich bluish green in color. Now let us see the last planet, Neptune. It is farthest planet from the sun. It is the last planet from the sun. Also, it is the coldest planet in the solar system. So the coldest planet in the solar system is Neptune. So children, there is a trick to remember the name of the planets by remembering the first word of the every planet. My very elegant mother just served us noodles. So from M, Mercury, very Venus, elegant Earth, then Mother Mars, then just Jupiter, served Saturn, us Uranus, and noodles Neptune. So my very elegant mother just served us noodles. You can remember the names of the planets from this. Thank you, children.